Welcome to Soothing Pod's Meditation. In today's practice, we'll explore how meditation can help us shed emotions and habits that no longer serve us. Find a comfortable way to sit and gently straighten your back without creating tension. As you close your eyes, soften your forehead and temples. Release the tension in your face. Unclench your jaw, soften your neck, and let your shoulders gently drop away from your ears. Now, notice how you are feeling. Observe your experience as you begin your meditation today. Notice the state of your mind or any particular emotions that are present. Become aware of physical sensations and observe the quality of your breath. Give yourself permission to start right where you are today. There is no need to change anything in the way that you feel. Whatever your experience, simply allow it. Tune into it. Now, gently lean into your breath. Become aware of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. And as you stay present with your breath, tap into the spacious quality of your inhales. Notice the innate softness of your exhales. And every time you inhale, breathe a sense of space around whatever your experience is. With each exhale, breathe a sense of softness around your experience. Notice what arises as you stay with your breath. Perhaps there are images or thoughts from the past, worries about the future, or judgments around your current experience. As best you can, notice what arises without getting involved in the story. As soon as a thought or distraction appears, simply acknowledge it and allow it to pass. And now, whenever a distracting thought, a judgment, or an emotion arises, imagine it transforming into a soft feather that you set free with your exhales. Let the feather of your distraction effortlessly float down toward the earth. It is no longer yours to carry. Lovingly, compassionately, let it float away. And if you meet resistance, remember to create space on your inhales. Soften your exhales. Keep gently letting go of your thoughts, setting your emotions and distractions free to float away like feathers. Now, slowly widen your attention. Our meditation practice gifts us with wonderful tools and abilities. We learn to stay present and mindful. We develop deeper patience, compassion, and kindness towards ourselves and those around us. But the benefits extend way beyond what we gain. They are also measured in what we are able to release. As our practice progresses, it can help us let go of what no longer serves us: resentment, regrets, bad habits, animosity, fear, or judgments, just to name a few. Some of these shifts happen seamlessly, just by coming back to the practice of meditation again and again. But we can also consciously choose to shed habits or reactive patterns. So the next time you find yourself facing a habit or emotion you're ready to let go of, turn to your breath. Breathe space and softness, and use your exhales to imagine releasing whatever adversity you're facing, as though it transforms into a feather softly floating away. Now bring your awareness back into the room around you. As you breathe, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. See you again soon.